Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You want a stable base right away. Pat each fillet thoroughly so the coating sticks. Once done, set 3 stations: flour, beaten egg, and breadcrumbs or panko so you move smoothly. Lightly season both sides. Seasoning before breading ensures flavor throughout. Begin by dredging in flour to dry the surface. This first layer helps the egg adhere. Make sure you shake off excess flour so the egg forms an even film, not a gummy paste. Next, dip and coat with intent. After flour, submerge the fillet in the beaten egg and lift it straight up. Let excess drip for 5 to 10 seconds so the crumbs bond rather than slide. Then press the fish into the breadcrumbs, applying gentle, even pressure to embed particles. Once coated, flip and press again. This locks in coverage. If you want extra crunch, mix panko with about 1 teaspoon of oil. The oil promotes browning and a crispier texture during cooking. Finish with heat and confidence. For a golden crust, pan fry in oil heated to about 350 degrees F for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or bake at 425 degrees F for 12-15 minutes depending on thickness. Once done, transfer to a wire rack so steam won't sog the crust. Cook to an internal temperature of 145 degrees F. If crumbs separate, don't panic. Chill the fillets for 15 minutes to set the coating, or lightly mist with oil and repress breadcrumbs before a brief return to heat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.